Today I had a question coming in from a doctor from Albuquerque, New Mexico, and the question had to do with the over-the-counter sales. How can we increase the sales of our products, such as like, I don't know, Sonicare, mouthwashes, fluorides, over-the-counter bleaching, and so forth in our dental office. So I, I thought I'd do a video on this. Well, the first thing you need to do is to train your staff to ask for the order. So what happens in many dental practices I see that when a patient is checking out, number one, the products are set far from the checkout counter, meaning that, where the patient is actually paying, the products could be across the way, across the hall, and the patients don't have easy access to it. Another problem I see is that a lot of times doctors, they lock up the products like somebody's going to steal it, and I don't understand why. So the product has to be absolutely accessible so people can, reach out, feel it, read the labels, whatever, and ask questions. So what you can do is to ask or train your team when a patient is actually paying, ask them just like somebody goes to McDonald's and they simply ask, would you like Coke with that? Or would you like to upsize your French fries or upsize your meal? They need to ask you questions similar to that. Would you like to get a product today? And then show them the products. Would you like to take home, a Sonicare? Would you like to take home a water pick, whatever that is? So the first thing you have to do is ask, but also your product has to be positioned correctly in the office. So if you have the products in your operatories, that's wonderful. So the patients can see it. Now, if a doctor recommends a treatment, it's your assistant's job to go and hand that patient off to the front person or the receptionist by basically telling the receptionist, Dr. John actually recommended this fluoride to be used on Susie, and would you please show Susie what sizes of bottles we have and so forth. So really this process is a team process, and this is the stuff that I actually coach my clients with, how to do proper handoffs and the scriptings and so forth. This is Dr. Allen. If this is the first time you're reaching my channel, I help doctors develop, scale, and exit from their practices successfully. If I can be of any assistance to you, let me know. I do weekly coaching with many clients through technology like this, and be happy to help you and your team out and get you guys to the next level. Thank you very much, or visit my website, www.drallennazeri.com. Thank you.